Everyone thinks the best-selling above-ground pools are automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different.
Product number 1, Intex Metal Frame 12-Foot Pool. The Intex Metal Frame 12-Foot by 30-inch above-ground pool set. Priced at $139.99. This caught my eye because of its classic round design and impressive 1,718-gallon capacity. If you want a reliable pool for family fun this summer, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The easy assembly is a game changer. You can have it ready for water in just 30 minutes without any tools. Just spread it out, set the frame, and you're good to go. And with a sturdy steel frame, rust won't be an issue, so you can trust it for years to come. Plus, this 3-ply PVC material is puncture resistant, which means it can handle the wear and tear of kids splashing around. In fact, over 400 of these pools were sold last month, showing how popular it is. Now, some people complained about the lack of a warranty, which can be a concern. But here's the thing. For the price and quality, many users feel it's a fair trade-off. If you're on a budget and need a pool that gets the job done, this is a great choice. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a family-friendly pool without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you're looking for something more permanent or larger than 12 feet. Now, if the size of the Intex 12-foot pool feels a bit too big for you, the next option is a bit more compact, but still packs in the fun.
Product number 2, Intex Metal Frame 10-Foot Pool. The Intex Metal Frame 10-Foot by 30-inch above-ground pool set. At $115.99, this pool is perfect for smaller backyards. If you want a cozy spot for those hot summer days, this pool is worth considering. What sets this pool apart is its ease of use. Just like the 12-foot version, it's ready for water in about 30 minutes. This makes it super convenient if you're short on time or patience. With a capacity of 1,185 gallons, it's just the right size for a few friends or family members to enjoy without taking up too much space. And the sturdy steel frame and puncture-resistant material mean you're investing in a product that can last through multiple seasons. With over 400 sold last month, it's clear that others are loving it too. Now, some users pointed out that the filter pump isn't as powerful as they'd like. But honestly, for the size of the pool and the price, it does the job well enough for casual use. Just keep in mind that you may need to clean it more often. This is perfect for you if you have a smaller space but still want a fun pool for the kids to play in. Skip this one if you need something larger or plan on frequent heavy use. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better if you're looking for something really easy to set up.
Product number 3, Intex 12-Foot Metal Frame Pump, not included. Let's talk about the Intex 28210EP Metal Frame 12-Foot by 30-inch above-ground pool. Priced at $112.99, this pool stands out because it doesn't come with a pump, making it a budget-friendly option for those who already have one. The design is similar to the other Intex models, with that classic round shape and a solid 1,718-gallon capacity. What's really great here is how easy it is to put together. Same 30-minute setup, and you can trust that the durable steel frame won't rust over time. Plus, the included repair patch means you can fix any minor damages quickly. With over 300 sold last month, it's obviously a popular choice. Now, the negative here is the absence of the pump, which might be a deal breaker if you don't already own one. But if you do, this pool is a steal for the quality and price. It gives you flexibility to choose your own filtration system. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable pool but already have a pump you love. Skip this one if you need everything included right out of the box. If you like the idea of inflatable pools, the next option is something you should definitely check out.
Product number 4, Intex Easy Set 10-Foot Pool. The Intex Easy Set 10-Foot by 30-inch above-ground pool, priced at just $90.89. This one caught my attention because it's incredibly easy to set up, a real lifesaver for busy days. It's an inflatable pool, which means you can have it ready for water in just 10 minutes. Just inflate the top ring, fill it up, and you're ready to go. With a capacity of 1,018 gallons, it's perfect for a quick splash with friends without taking too much space. The 3-ply PVC material is also puncture resistant, so you won't have to worry about it getting damaged easily. Plus, with advanced filtration technology, you can enjoy clearer water. This pool sold over 300 units last month, proving it's a hit. However, some users mention that it can lose air over time, which can be a bit annoying.
But honestly, if you're looking for something super convenient to set up and take down, it's a small price to pay. This is perfect for you if you want a quick and easy pool for occasional use. Skip this one if you're looking for something more permanent or larger. Now, if you want a little more space, the next product could be just what you need.
Product number 5, Intex Easy Set 13-foot pool. We have the Intex Easy Set 13-foot by 33-inch above-ground pool, retailing at $120.99. This option offers a bit more space and is still incredibly easy to assemble. Just like the 10-foot version, it's ready in about 10 minutes, which is fantastic when you're eager to dive in. With a capacity of 1,926 gallons, this pool is perfect for larger gatherings or just lounging on hot days. Its puncture-resistant material ensures that it can handle the fun without easily getting damaged. Plus, the included 530 GPH filter pump helps maintain clean water efficiently. This pool is also well-loved, with over 200 sold last month. On the downside, some users reported that it can be a bit unstable if not set up on completely level ground. But here's the thing, if you prep your area well, this pool is a solid choice for summer fun. This is perfect for you if you have a bit more space and want a pool for larger gatherings. Skip this one if your yard isn't completely level or you're after something smaller. To wrap it all up, we've covered some fantastic options for budget-friendly above-ground pools, and each offers something unique for your summer needs.
We went through 5 great budget options: the Intex metal frame 12-foot, the 10-foot version, the 12-foot without a pump, the Easy Set 10-foot, and the Easy Set 13-foot. Each has its strengths, whether you're looking for ease of setup, size, or durability. Whatever your choice, you're sure to have a blast in your own backyard this summer.